So now it's time to go plotting some data. Of course, that main thing is up to you, but we need to plot some data. So, our graph the data. What we need to do first of all is import a graphing library. And in fact, in this graphing library called matplotlib, there's a certain part of it called pyplot, which lends itself it's very useful for plotting. And for pyplot, I'm going to call P for pyplot, PLT. So instead of referring to it all the time as this, I'm going to refer to it as PLT. It's going to make it easier for me to code in that. So import our graphing software. Yeah, so down here, we're just going to go to plt.plot. And what do we want to plot? So this is the .plot method here, which just allows us very quickly to plot temperatures. That was the list we have of all the stuff. And then we need to show it. plt.show. Run the graph. And there we go. We've got some temperatures. So we had 20 degrees. We had 20 degrees, 20 degrees, 20 degrees. Then we had it looks to me like 21 degrees. Then we had a 22 degrees, 22 degrees, 22 degrees, 22 degrees. So we have something plotting, but something I'm not happy about is how this starts the readings at 0. And also, even before I go that far, I'll actually come back to that in a minute. So I want to fix up some of the labels here. So to do that, I'll just have a quick look at my stuff. I'm going to give it a title here, first of all. And the title I'm going to call it is temperatures. And this is just little things you can add on to make your graph look a little bit better. If I run that now, you'll see that it's going to have temperatures on the top of the graph, looking nice and neat. If I add in some X labels and some Y labels, which are done exactly as it says in the tin, X label. And the X label was our number of readings. And our Y label is our actual temperatures. And they are in degrees Celsius. And let's run that. You can see our graph now starting to take a bit more shape. Temperatures, Celsius, number of readings, and this is something that we need to fix up here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should be starting at number 1 and see you in the next video to fix that.